All right, good afternoon, viewers. We're here unwrapping our new laptop that was shipped by Islandwide Express, coming safe, delivered at our house. So we're gonna unwrap the package now and see if our brand new laptop is in a good condition. And I can assure you customers that it's a good team that you're working with. You have nothing to fear, nothing to worry about. Your package is perfectly safe. So as you see, it came into a seal box. We had to open the box ourselves, and it also came with a plastic wrap on the outside. Inside the box, the laptop was also placed in another secured plastic. Okay, so you know it's not damaged or anything like that. We just opened it ourselves. So we got our laptop shipped from overseas here to Jamaica, safe and sound. So go ahead, ship with Islandwide Express. No troubles. Thank you.